What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are back in my 1991 Mazda Miata, and obviously we're going for a cruise because it's been far too long. Honestly, life has been crazy. I've been trying to figure out the 350Z. As you guys know, in the last video, I unfortunately crashed it. Yeah, I'm paying the price now, of course. I just couldn't help but go out for a drive tonight because it is like 65 degrees. The sun is just about to go down, and we're abiding by the law. Look, we're even going under the speed limit, which is amazing. The Miata says we're going 46, but that sign said we were going 43. It sounds like we got a little bit of a brake squeak. I honestly think I need new tires and brakes on this thing because it is just, it's been a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Probably like maybe even like 3 solid years since I put tires on this thing, which honestly, tires are supposed to last you a pretty long time, but you know, obviously, the way we drive. So it definitely needs tires, and it probably needs brakes as well at this point. But for now, we're just out enjoying it. Look at this, we got the pop-up headlights, you guys. Honestly, they're a lot bigger than you would imagine. When you see a Miata out on the street, like, you really don't think they're gonna be this big when you're behind the wheel, but like, they honestly take up most of your vision, which is kind of crazy. I love it though. I mean, I love the pop-ups. They're so iconic. They create the entire look of the front of this car. Like, you could obviously drive with the, you know, with them down, but there's not very much fun in that, honestly. Chilling at this red light. We got a strawberry Dr. Pepper because it's been a while. Okay, so let's just clarify this time of the day. Like, this time of day in the night or in the morning especially, it is the best. This golden light coming through the, oh man, what a nice day. Oh, wrong. And then you got the windows down and in a 1991 Miata, and it's just, life is just good, honestly. Look at, we got people jogging. Hello, thank you. Thank you. Gassing it. 6,000. All right, the 350Z is getting fixed right now as we speak, and it has been quite a mess, I'm not gonna lie, but we got it figured out. Everything is like working out in our favor, and we're gonna have the car back very soon. Faith Auto Body is fixing it for us. They did an estimate, and I'm gonna go a lot more into detail about the insurance and how much it costs and what the total for the damage was. And I'm just gonna do a separate video on literally like everything that's happening behind the scenes and what you guys can expect if you do get into an accident, what happens to the car, like how much does your insurance go up. Honestly, my insurance hasn't moved yet, so once everything is finalized, I'm assuming my insurance is going to go up. Right now, I pay about $98 a month. So it'll be a little interesting to see how much it moves. I don't know if I should expect it to double, you know, to $200 a month. I kind of might expect it to double. I don't know how it works. So, man, it is just such a nice day. Kid back there was so excited. Oh, that sunset though. We are out at the correct time to be out, you guys. Like, seriously, go out for a cruise. I don't know what time it is for you, but just go out for a drive. Even if it's raining, you know, be cautious and be safe, but enjoy the car, enjoy the roads, enjoy the air, the temperature outside. Like, I just honestly spend so much time not filming, just driving around. I've done 4,000 miles in this Miata, probably in the last 2 months. Every time I drive this car, I get so happy. It's so many different things. It's like the smell and just the way it looks in here and just all the buttons, everything feels so mechanical, like the way that clicks, and like you can seriously hear stuff moving inside the dashboard when you change your air controls and stuff, and it's just so different from anything you see on the roads today or any brand new car. And like, if you've ever driven an old car, like, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's just that, I have no idea what it is, but everything just seems like they took their time with it and they actually cared about what they were producing. I don't know if that makes sense, but there's this something about an old car. The smell has so much to do with it. Like, when you turn the heat on for the first time, I mean, there's like this amazing old smell that comes out of it, and I have no idea how to explain it, but it is like 50% of the experience of this car is just the smell of having an old car, which, you know, and then I would say, honestly, the other 50% is driving it, because this is a lightweight car that doesn't have very much power, but it allows you to just downshift and just throw it around a corner. Ready? Look at this. Oh, my tripod. my tripod, aerodynamics, and we're gone. Let's go through this neighborhood. I haven't driven through this neighborhood in forever. I love driving on the main roads, but there's something about when you're in the Miata, you just want to take these side streets. Do you guys hear that? There's like this boop, 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 boop sound. Wait, listen. Listen, listen, listen. Do you hear that? I don't know if you hear that. It's definitely with the spinning of things. Have top-notch auto look at that just to make sure it's nothing, you know, obviously like the drive shaft's not gonna fall out or something. It might be something to do with the bearings. I do know I was having some squeaking over here, so I do have plans to get a new steering wheel. Honestly, what I've been really trying to do, I've been looking for an NB steering wheel, whether an NB1 or an NB2 steering wheel, it does not matter, either of the or. If you guys have one by any chance and you want to sell it to me on the cheap, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram at LivingLikeJohnny, and I'll obviously respond to your DM, because I've been looking for one and I just can't seem to find one online. So if you have one, let me know. I just think the shape of the NB steering wheel overall is a lot like cleaner and more sporty, so definitely gonna go with that one. And it still has an airbag, so we're not like doing the airbag delete, which, I mean, I know we're car guys and gals, but I mean, the airbag delete is, you know, it's a little dangerous, which, you know, I'm trying to be safe out here, you guys. This is already a pretty dangerous car to drive around on the streets anyways, so, you know, the more safety, the better, honestly. So, I mean, honestly, it's really hard to pass up a Sparko, but I see a lot of you guys commenting. I know I short shift these cars and I can get them all the way to like 7,000 each, but honestly, like, it scares me. I know the red line is the safe limit for the engine, and that's why they have a red line, but we're going for longevity here, you guys. We're going for longevity. I don't want to blow any engines, okay? I don't want to blow any engines. Like, I'm not Stradman. Oh my goodness. Oh, I miss my car, you guys. We'll get it back soon. And honestly, we'll be driving that thing like it was never even gone, obviously with a little more precautions and safety and respect for the roads we're on, but definitely gonna be driving, and I cannot wait to hit the canyons again. I just want to take pictures of it again. I just miss that thing. I was looking at pictures of it and it feels like a dream. Like, I don't even feel like I ever owned that car. I walk out and I see the Miata, and I mean, I absolutely love the Miata, but like, I miss that Z, you guys, I really do. We're out. Aerodynamics. I'm getting it to 6,500. There it is. I mean, she shifts like butter at high RPM. Like, it's crazy. I just like threw it into gear. Like, it was just nothing. Like, it just flew into gear. Oh, I mean, I have no complaints. The Japanese, they know what they're doing. I hope you enjoyed this video. We've just been driving around, having a good time, enjoying the weather, because it is, I mean, you can't let these days go by. Like, you need to go and experience this, because in this world where the digital era and digital things and VR and, you know, iPhones and everything are taking over, go outside and enjoy the day, because you don't have very many of them. Like, obviously we're gonna live many, many years, but it goes by fast. I'm already 25 and it blows my mind every day. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. I would really appreciate it if you join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.